What is up everyone, this is 26th June and the positions that we have carried forward from 23 June has been squared off today, and we have booked a negative of about 59,000 rupees, which is not at all a problem because the stop loss that I was forecasting was 1,80,000 to 1,20,000 because my target was around 1,20,000. Our PNL has gone to almost negative 2,30,000 today, and from there it has come down to negative 59,000, and I was sure about this movement towards the downside, or I was ready to average my position and get out in a nominal lows that we have already booked. So without averaging or without anything, with strong conviction and strong faith in the market, I have held on to my position, and I don't know if even if it goes wrong also, I know how to manage the position. But fortunately it has come down to the level that I was expecting, and it has clearly respected the price action that I had in mind, and yeah, it happened, and we have booked almost 59,000 lows, and I think we have booked almost 2.5 lakhs in from Banknifty options this month till day. And also we'd like to say that we won't be putting videos from 28th June to 2nd July 2023. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Jump right into the video to understand how price action works. Yes. Good morning, this is 26 June 2023, and as you can see here, Banknifty has closed at 43,617 on Friday, that is 23rd June. So we can see that the pre-market is at 43,714, which is almost 100 points above the close. So we are already at a loss of about 97,000, and I feel that this will go up to 1,50,000 as Banknifty is at 43,714. So what I feel is if Banknifty breaks below 43,617 is where we will see it moving to 43,500, and if that is broken, then 43,400 43,350 to 43,400 is the range that we can expect, or else this will go up to 43,820 and then may reverse from that level. So we have to be very careful because we have this position open, and probably we'll get out of this position if 617 is not broken with a loss of about 80 to 1,10,000 rupees. So this is what I'm planning. So my RR is 1:1. So let's see what is going to happen. We'll see if Banknifty moves down or not. So yeah, let's plan our trade accordingly. This is how our position looks like. We'll have to see where this is going. I hope this goes below this range so that we'll be in some good profits today. So 43,700 can be a support for Banknifty today if it sustains at this level. And also last day Banknifty was struggling to go below 43,665. So we'll have to be very careful with how the trade goes today. So as you can see here, market is on a very tight range. We'll have to see Banknifty to move to any of the sides. Maybe it will make a range shift and consolidate like this, or else this may go up and take a range shift and consolidate. So this is what I am looking at for now, and our PNL is around 1,87,000 negative. So we'll see. I'm hoping Banknifty, if not broken above this, we'll see Banknifty breaking below and coming to 43,520, where we will be on a break even. So that's what we are looking at. So I hope the movements are solid and it will move down to 43,600, and if that is broken, then 522 is what I am looking at. So as you can see here, this is how our PNL looks like. Banknifty has fallen below the day's low. What I feel is this is going to come down and touch 43,600, and if that is broken, then further down. So there can be a slight chance that there will be a reversal like this towards the upside. That is also a thing that we can look at. Looking into the open interest, we can see that 43,700 put is call is trying to go over put in 43,700, and also in 43,600 put is trying to call is trying to dominate over put. So if that happens, then we will be in good profits is what I assume. So let's see what is going to happen. We'll see if Banknifty falls below this range, or there can be a chance that this can go up from here. So till here this is good because our PNL has gone down to almost 2,20,000 or something, and from there it has recovered. So we'll see what is going to happen if this is not engulfed. So what we see will be a movement like this also may happen today in intraday. So yeah, that's it. So Banknifty is taking a stop here because looking at the OI, we can see that call is trying to dominate over put, and that's why Bank Nifty is trying to take a stop at this level, or else this can act as a morning star and this can go up from this level as well. So these are the two things that we have to keep in mind. So this is how our PNL looks like. So probably when it comes down to like 80 or 70k, looking at the market, we'll square off our position and save the money accordingly. So we'll see how this is going to react, because this movement is purely because Bank Nifty, there should be more call writers to come in 43,600. So that's what we have to look at. So this is how it is right now. So as I expected, market has given a fall, and this is how our PNL looks like. So we'll wait for some more time, because I'm expecting, since this low is broken, I'm expecting Bank Nifty to come down to this low, which will put us into some profits is what I believe. So this is how our PNL looks like. Market is going exactly the way I am anticipating, but this low has to be broken, and this low has to be broken and sustained in order for Bank Nifty to move further down. So yeah, let's see what is going to happen. So I think we'll book the nominal lows right now, as Bank Nifty can make an upward movement from this level on engulfing this candle. So we'll just look for some more time and we'll square off our position in market price. So yeah, that's what we are planning. So we'll get rid of our first 900 quantities here. Okay, so I feel the pressure is going to the pressure is towards the lower side. Yes, so we'll just wait for some more time and we'll take the call accordingly. So our buy price was 196.23. We'll just see for some more time and we'll exit our position is what I believe is the best option, because if this candle is acting like a inverted hammer, then we'll see a movement like this. Okay, so the premium needs more push for Bank Nifty to the Bank Nifty needs some more push for the premium to go high is what I believe. Premium has to act accordingly, but it is not happening in such a way. So we'll have to get rid of our position is what I believe is the best option, because 50k loss is not a problem for us. We got rid of 900 quantities. Now another 900 quantities, then another 900 here. Yes, so we have booked a loss of about 59,140, which is not at all a problem. So I feel this is going to go up and come down, but I don't want to risk a lot of my capital. So we have booked a nominal loss and we got out of a position. So the best was at 180, but we couldn't square it off at 180. So these are the sell prices that we had, and we have booked almost 59,000 rupees loss today. So I feel we could have had a break even also today, but I don't, it's okay to always stick to your loss that you have in mind. So today from negative 2 lakhs we have come down to negative 50,000, which is actually a great thing that we have done. And clearly I know my risk and I know my reward, and that's why I keep it on like this. So thanks for watching the video. And also I would like to say that we are not semi-registered analysts, and all the videos in this channel are for educational purposes only. So yeah, you can take all the levels in this channel as references to your trades. Also I would like to say that from 28th June till 2nd of July, we won't be putting any of the videos because I'll be on my vacation and I am not planning to trade on those days. So thanks for watching the video, and all the criticisms are welcome. Thank you.